mathematicians! In this video we're going to continue learning about spreadsheets and specifically about hyperlinks. So here we have a list of universities and their locations. We want to provide more information by including links, also known as hyperlinks, to each of the universities. To do that, you click on the cell that contains the university, you click Insert and Insert Link. Then you can type in University of Michigan, or in this case, it has already suggested the university to us. So I'm going to click on that and apply, and you have the link there. So now if I click on this, it takes me to the University of Michigan website. Another way you can do that is by clicking on the cell and pressing Ctrl-K on the keyboard. Then you can type University of Pennsylvania, and what will come up, there we have it, and apply. Again, if you clicked on that link, it would work. A third way you can do that, Ctrl-K, and here I have the website for University of Texas, and I can copy, Ctrl-C, this link, and over here, Ctrl-K, Ctrl-V, and it applies right away. So I want you to do that for the rest of these as well. So now that we've put in all our links, let's go ahead and bold our titles. So that's A3 and B3, press Ctrl-B. Now I don't see everything here, so let's double click. But this looks very long. Another way we can resize is by clicking on the drop-down menu. So if you click on that arrow that's next to the A and the top, then click on Resize Column. Let's set it to 150 pixels. And say OK. Now some of the data here is still cut off. Instead of making it longer, we can have the text wrap around to the next line. To do that, click on the three dots, you click on this arrow, and you can have it wrap around to the next line. So now you see University of Pennsylvania, University of, and Pennsylvania went to the next line because it did not fit. University of Michigan all fit, so it didn't have to change. Now let's add a little bit more color and interest to our spreadsheet. So let's take this location and let's change the color to be red. Click on that A with the black line under it and change the color to be red. Then let's make it italics by pressing this I or Control-I. Now we have it as italics. Then if we want everything to have the same formatting, we can click on this cell, then click on Paint Format, and highlight the other cells. This will automatically put the same formatting, the color and the italics, on the rest of the cells. Next, we want to bold and make our title bigger so that it's easier to see. So I click on it, Ctrl-B, and I'm going to change the font to size 18. I don't want to wrap around. I want it to take the whole cell. So I'm going to click on the three dots. Then, for text wrapping, I'm going to have it go back to overflow. Now double check your spreadsheet, make sure it's formatted correctly and all the data is correct, and have a wonderful day. Stay safe.